Warning, this is an emergency broadcast for residents of southwestern Colorado and northern New Mexico, specifically citizens living near or relying on the Animas or San Juan rivers. Today, August 5th, 2015, a mining accident released 3 million gallons of acidic mine water into the Animas River. The water contains heavy metals such as lead, arsenic, and mercury, all of which can be toxic. The water is yellow due to the iron content of the discharge. Do not trust the safety of the water in these rivers, regardless of color, until further notice by the EPA and local water authorities. Again, avoid contact with water from the Animas and San Juan rivers until further notice. Refrain from drinking, swimming, bathing, wading, paddling, fishing, or using this water for irrigation or livestock. Children are particularly vulnerable to exposures, and extra precautions should be taken to avoid contact. Our preliminary estimates suggest that there should be no immediate short-term health effects because the discharge should be diluted by the river and quickly return to pre-spill levels. However, there could be long-term health consequences due to organ damage, including kidney, liver, and brain. Should you become exposed or ingest chemicals via mine water or otherwise, contact your town or county's local public health department, for example, the San Juan County Health Department, immediately, particularly if the exposed is a child. The EPA will be testing water in the Animas and San Juan rivers to determine when the levels of metals are below the limits set for safe drinking water. The EPA is building holding ponds, treating mine water to make it less acidic, and controlling the release of the water. Again, avoid contact with water from the Animas or San Juan rivers until further notice. Those that rely on Montezuma Creek water will be directed to flow from homes from clean water reservoirs that will be used instead to fill the residential tank. Residents in Silverton and Durango should not drink water pumped from wells, however, tap water is safe to drink. While the EPA does not anticipate significant short-term impacts outside of acute exposures downstream, there are long-term risks associated with metals from the mine that accumulate in river sediment downstream and can periodically be released due to human activity or an overflow of water because of increased precipitation. We anticipate the plume to spread as far down as Lake Powell.